And what's up, everybody? It's your boy iDerek4Real Plays, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can get 1 to free 2 games per week if you try. Okay, so if we look at this screen here, we are available at Epic Game Store here. Check this out. Okay, so now that we are at Epic Games, all you have to do is go to, let me check this out for you. So to be able to get us a free game a day, I'm going to just stop by here. If you never had it before, if you have a computer and you want to just grab free games every week, all you have to do is type in Epic Games at your search browser. Go to Epic Games, create you an account. Just create you an account, sign in, and everything. Download the launcher so you'd always be up to date. Once you have this downloaded, because you can look at it right here at the top, epicgames.com, and once you're there, you will get the download their launcher here, and there's lots of stuff you can do. But every week, about Thursday, you could just come to the store here, click store, right here, right underneath home icon. Come down a little bit, where it says free games, and every week you can grab your free game, 1 to 2 free games, I can say. So basically, I would just come and click on the free game there, or press continue if it says that. And basically, I would just hit this get button. Get it. Alright, it's gonna bring up this loading screen. Alright. And if you wanted to show you an email with your purchase of this free game, and you could click this if you want to. I usually don't. I don't need it. I already have everything saved already. So all I would have to do is just come here, place order. Booyah, baby. Booyah. And basically like that, you have the free game available in your library here. Let's see if I can find it. Dungeons 3 right here. See, all these are free games. You can get a free game every Thursday, every week at epicgames.com if you download their launcher, and you could just download you a free brand new game every single day. Thanks for watching iDerek4Real Plays. This is free games every week.